For the past 2 years, I have been working primarily from home and wanted to create a productive but also aesthetically pleasing workspace from which I can create content. Now, that dream setup is finally a reality. Starting with the desk itself, I have a walnut pin art countertop from IKEA. Because I have a lot of things on the desk, I had to get the longer version of 98 by 25 inches. The main reason I got this countertop is because it matches perfectly with this green paint from Behr. I was not sure how the green paint would look, but I think it turned out great and makes all the wood products pop. For storage, I got the IKEA Alex drawers. I got the blue color because I thought it would match well with the green paint and the wood desk. Holding everything up are the stand-up legs from AndresVidoza. I've had these for a few years now and the seal were perfectly fine, so I decided to keep them since they also fit the industrial theme of this setup. Moving underneath the desk, we have some very good cable management. The cables are routed with the help of a server rack, holder clips, and some cable straps. I am also using some 3M tape to hold the power bar underneath. At center stage, we have a 34 inches curved ultra-wide monitor from LG. I wanted an ultra-wide monitor as it is very practical for video editing, but also for programming as it provides enough space to have my coding terminal open, as well as other windows that I may need. The monitor is held up by the LG standard arm and seems to be hovering thanks to this monitor stand by GrowthMate. I really wanted this GrowthMate stand as it matches the desk but also allows you to hide cables behind it and gives you some storage space as well. It is also solid wood, so it has great quality. Now onto the lighting. I am using this monitor light from BenQ, which does a great job at lighting the desk area over the mousepad and thus allows me to work at night without needing to turn on any other lights. It is controlled by this cool remote from which you can adjust the light temperature, brightness, and set your favorite settings. For those wondering, it does include an adapter for ultra-wide monitors. It also includes a backlight, which in my case is not entirely necessary as I have a pair of Philips Hue light bars behind the monitor. Providing some extra glow behind the desk is a LifeX strip. I also have an Aperture 200X attached to a newer arm along with an Aperture softbox. This is used primarily when filming YouTube videos and it's not something I would otherwise have. On the table itself, we have this cool Sonos lamp/speaker from IKEA. It provides some ambient lighting and also allows me to connect my phone via Bluetooth to play music or anything else. I am using the Rode AI1 audio interface with my PC. It is easy to set up and allows me to connect my MV7X Shure microphone, which is hanging on a blue compass arm, as well as my Audio-Technica Pro 5X headphones. With the right cables, you could also connect your speakers, but because I have a Mac and PC setup, I connect my Audio Engine 2 Plus speakers directly to the PC and to the Mac via Bluetooth. The MacBook I have here is a 2019 16-inch MacBook Pro, which I use for work. As for the PC, it is in a minimalist case from NZXT and includes a 9700K CPU, EVGA 3070 RTX, and 64GB of RAM with a 3600MHz speed. I primarily use this PC for video editing as well as some gaming. Resting on this mousepad from GrowthMate are the Logitech MX Mechanical and MX Master 3S. I went with this keyboard and mouse pair because they allowed me to seamlessly switch between the Mac and PC. Also, because I tend to edit late at night, the backlighting of the keyboard and silent clicks of the MX Master 3S come in very handy. The chair is a DX Racer Craft Series. It is comfortable and can be adjusted in many ways. It also has lumbar support, which comes in very handy when sitting for extended periods of time. As for the decorations, we have 3 plants from IKEA, with 1 sitting on the desk and 2 on the shelf from GrowthMate that is hanging over the IKEA pegboard. To complete the look, at the center of the wall I have this New York poster that is also from IKEA. Overall, I think this setup meets my desired balance of productivity but also being aesthetically pleasing. If you plan on remaking your setup soon or have any suggestions for improving mine, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next video.